It's June 7th, 2024. The sun is shining brightly. You can see the kayak over there. Usually take that out on the 4th of July along with inner tubes. Got some water running here in the stream. We had rain yesterday and the day before that and the day before that, so we have lots of water here on the Crow Wing. Lots of water, lots of green grass. It's just a gorgeous day. This river runs down to Brainerd, where it runs into the Mississippi. So the whole region's been getting lots of rain. As you can see, the banks are almost overflowing. Have a wonderful day.